Hey guys, this is how to get refund credits on Google Play Store. So the first thing that you will do is simply tap on the Google Play Store application. And from here, just search for the application that you want to refund. So let's say I'm going to go for Canva. And from here, as you can see, instead of uninstall, you should be able to see the refund and just tap on the refund. And from there, a pop-up will show up and you'll be able to request for a refund. And now, guys, if you made an in-game purchase or the purchase inside the application, what you would try to do is just simply go ahead and go to any web browser, and from here, just simply go ahead and search for Play Store Refund. And from here, guys, just tap on the first one, request your Google Play Refund. And from here, just simply tap on the profile icon on the top right corner and make sure you have the right account. And now from here, once you have ensured that you have the right account, just simply tap on continue. And from here, just tap on confirm. And after that, you'll be able to see here all of your purchase. And from there, guys, since I don't have a purchase yet on the application, I won't be able to show you, but if you do, you should be able to see here your purchases. And from there, just select the purchase item and just tap on continue. And from there, guys, just select a reason for the refund. And from there, just tap on continue again. And after that, just describe your issue. Why do you want to get the refund? And from there, lastly, you will be able to request for a refund. And from there, guys, it will take up to 15 minutes, but it could take up to 4 business days to get the refund, and they will send you an email. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.